Hey Zombie Mob, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And we're going to go over a couple of price charts, the Zombie versus Ether and Zombie versus Binance. Two different charts, same outcome. Off to the moon we go. Nice breakout out of this channel. It all started yesterday morning when about 100 somebody came in and bought about 150,000 bucks worth of Zombie Inu via Binance, or sorry, via Ethereum. I was kind of watching the charts at that moment when looked at what price was doing and all that, and saw the two big orders come through. And then we've kind of just gone sideways overnight. And then just a little bit ago, we took off for the next leg. We are now in a bullish chart. We were making lower highs, lower lows, but now we are making higher highs, higher lows. We took out this low that we had to take out. This was our second major, high that was taken out. This is our second one. And now our next one is right here at we'll call it 12.5. And then the third one's going to be about 14.50. We're currently at 11.18. So still a ways to run. Everything looks good. Consolidation. Let's see if we can build upon this. Now, real quick with the Zombie Binance chart, different little chart, right? More of a triangle kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bottom, and really held that the 8th level, right, or the 83 level, and then boom, look at this nice clean breakout, huge volume to the upside with divergence. And if you guys know me with my videos and all that, I love divergence, and so everything's set up for kind of the breakout to the upside. First major level, I'd be watching for 1600. Then once we get up there, I'd be looking for about the 20 level. Those are resistant levels. But again, I'm not day trading it, but if you guys are, I just want to show you where price may pause a little bit on its way up. And here also, we were making lower highs, lower lows. Now we have higher highs, higher lows going on. So hopefully that helps. Also, watch for a divergence. Doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, options, stocks, futures, or crypto. Divergence is divergence, and it works on every single chart. Doesn't work all the time, but everything does look good. If we do roll back over at any time in the future on the Ethereum side, watch that 6 level. Okay, if we break below the 6, don't be afraid. Look at it as a buying opportunity for the longer term, like I am. So, but just want to say thank you to all the viewers. Also, I guess the Zombie team on their Twitter said they were coming out with some major news this week. Maybe some people are front running that news, which is always a great thing. More eyeballs, more news out there. And let's all tell our friends all about Zombie. And not to pump it, but because we believe in what they're doing. We believe in the metaverse. We believe in the game, the NFTs, all those things. So just want to say thank you to Dave and the team and everybody out there. And everybody, I think it's a great project. I've looked at other projects, and just something about this one is a win for me. So I hope that helps, guys. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.